Well, let's start with the Echo PB2520 blower. Going to do a spark plug service, air filter, and tune up. My usual tune up, which is the B12 in the gas tank. So let's see what the air filter looks like. A little bit dirty. Definitely could be replaced. Get that right quick. Got the new filter. Perfect. There it goes. There's a look at it before. So a cycle through the spark plug cleaner certainly improved things. I'll follow up with the wire brush. And I'll give it a shot of some carb cleaner. And then a little bit more with the wire brush. We should be good. Cap looks okay. Very good. Now for some fresh gas. That should be good. And now it's time for a tune-up. Just a little splash. And then let's see what it does. Looks like it's purging just fine. Let's give it a test start. I would say that's working well. So once again, this has been getting the Echo PB2520 up and running for 2025. Thank you for watching.